too.
Great guy.
Oh, I appreciate that, man. Excuse me, brother. They said, don't sit in it, don't touch that. Say less. Oh, wait, gotta come in from the driver's side.
Yeah.
The steering wheel, you know?
That nigga playing operation right now.
Okay. That's what it's like, operation. You know? That's it. This next one.
This motherfucker, yeah, man.
And let me get a picture of that one too.
My boy told me he had a green. I had a green Lambo. He had a red one. My other nigga had a blue one.
Okay, is these the ones?
That might be it right here. This might be it.
Let me get. I got my flash on right here. The flash gonna do everything I need it to do.
You got it on?
Yep. Exactly. Appreciate you. At least in theory, we'll see.
Having an extra hand like you should just make everything like you can create.
Not that bad. I like the way it looks, you know, so I get some.
Yeah, definitely. That motherfucker's cool. I like it better like that. Oh my god. Oh, like something that'd be on the coffee table right there. Oh, that's crazy.
Okay,
yeah, that's hard.
Thank you.
Yeah, actually it just depends on the area.
You know what it is? It's your sun filter.
Well, I got it. That's what I need to make it acceptable. You get what I mean? Like, I'm trying to get the right balance of contrast, like you get your lows and highs to get it better.
So would you have to turn the ISO like all the way up? I never use the sun filters.
So, in theory,
He's ruining everything right now. Oh, it's the bike.
That was a shorty. Yeah, I was like, that was a commotion. Oh, come on, I'm gonna finish putting the thing through the cars up.
Close. Almost in our 2 hour pause limit.
Okay, right.
No pause for 2 hours. Every time to acclimate. That was close.
I do it with extreme care each time to show them that I'm not being haphazard. That way you get your future, you know, they don't put Jeffrey me out of here, right? You know what I mean? I'm like, dang, man, but my brother's in town. I'm like, I don't give a damn. Oh, you say that's your brother? Good. He banned too. Exactly. Good.
I probably have it.
He banned too. You know? Oh, let me take this picture. Can you hold this one?
Of course. Y'all, I wish I had a son for this.
Huh?
This was gonna be the hardest. This was gonna be hard. Can I take one shot?
You got to hold it with both hands.
Yeah, of course. That's why I was putting that down.
Well, I mean, I know you can afford to pay the new one, but I'm gonna want it today. You can, but that's not like you hear me. But I'm gonna just want it today. I'm gonna need to. We're gonna have to go straight from here to Best Buy. Yeah, let's see that coming. I want to make sure I'm getting you getting it. Oh, the first one. Okay. Okay. I got some comp over here. I see you.
You coming? That's all I wanted right there. I seen it. Damn, I ain't heard that so long. Yeah. You're right, I know.
Nah, but that's just like my cousin. Like he don't go by CJ no more, but he do around me. Like, because you CJ boy. Your daddy called you CJ. Yeah.
How's he doing? Where he at now? Just in Tampa?
It was the most fun I've had.
I met the owner of the team. I went to this in Tampa. I went to the Martin Luther King breakfast.
Or is it who do you mean?
I forgot his name. He was the owner of the team, majority owner.
Yeah. So I think the Glazers. That's what I think. That's good.
Yeah, he was cool as shit. All the white dudes. I was like, hey, bro. I'm trying to, he said, I said, look, I'm trying to do some grants for y'all. He said, we don't need no grants, we're good, but I appreciate it. We just made all the money.
Okay. Where's the bucks? Hold on, let me see, I'm going to say this through.
Where's the truck?
I'm going to come in from the driver's side.
Funny, so he said, hey, now you know you got to hold that motherfucker.
Okay. Nah, but historically, whenever we link up, could be going well. You remember, I remember one time we randomly hung out and like we went to bed places and went to the sweepstakes spot. Brothers hit for like $150, and that was big money. This one's a beauty. No, it's beautiful. I ain't gonna hold you. And I know it's nice riding. Like, you know what I mean? Let's see what we got. Hopefully, I got something out of these. Like, cause they be hit or miss sometimes. Sometimes it's too dark or, you know. Sometimes I've already scratched the lens. I be having to get lens covers to cause cause that's what those are right there. Cause
those circles.
You take it to the beach and ruin. Oh, I'm gonna try to get. Can you hold that again? I'm trying to get some.
It should be way better out here on this side. Yeah. It's the one right here.
But it's interesting to find a car, that's the problem. Like, so the problem is when you get guys that are genuinely interested in a car on a day like today, it just stands out. It's like, take the side off because we don't have a good car, so what we do. That's what you do. A bit like Stuart, so they can do it, and he wants to come out, if you nobody knows,
especially at the McLaren place, they probably have their event today too. They normally have them on the same days, but I sometimes go back and forth. If I'm really in a shooting mood, I go back and forth back, or just going somewhere else out there. You come to the crib, or what you doing?
Hell yeah, I'm with you. Until I leave, I'm with you. Fuck everybody else. I'm happy to see, bro. I really want to hang out. Like, fuck this shit. This is.
I ain't got shit to do.
What do we need to do? We can sit there and talk about fucking anime. You know how many people I don't get to talk about my true interest with? Do I what? Just pick what you want.
Come on now. You know, I live with my sister.
Yeah. How the baby doing? How old is she now? Like 7?
That's what she got.
Shit.
We started her YouTube channel. You gotta make sure to
What?
subscribe.
Hell yeah.
She be like,
I just started a whole bunch of faceless ones.
you did what?
Started a whole bunch of faceless channels.
Yeah, no, that's what money is.
I'm telling you.
Because sometimes people don't want to support you, you know, but they may support whatever you up to. You know, so you just put
They don't even know it. Yeah.
They don't know who they support. They just like what they like.
You feel me? But this got me thinking about doing a car one. Right now I got one that tells scary stories. I got one, it's called the Infinite Library. Huh? You said what?
You use an AI
To come up with the stories halfway. I'll come up with the structure of the story and then I get it to flesh it out.
That's so cool. We got you part of the family again down there. So we got these weekly meetings, like, you know, and these monthly like.
Hell yeah, I'm here, bro.
Just to read, you know, because we're on the way, and it takes a team. Like, that's the difference with how quick you can grow. Now, if you're trying to do everything by yourself, it's a little slower with the team.
You feel me? And I don't have that, man. Everybody that came up when I went to Atlanta, everybody left. So, like, typically I am the team.
Yeah, so
Like,
it's about time to go. We better get on. I'm gonna do a non-flash. Let's do some. First that I got to make the adjustments.
Test. That should be good. Yep.
Time to just go through getting the regular shots done.
Oh, this should been going for 12 minutes.
Oh, what, that thing?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what's up. I be loving that.
They got a mic on it too? Oh yeah, I see it, yeah. Hey Sean, future Sean. Past Sean. And I love you. I also love me.
Keep being great.
Yeah.